Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to use your EBT card at the grocery store. If you're new to this or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. EBT cards are a lifeline for many, helping with food assistance through programs like SNAP. So let's break it down step by step to make your shopping trips smoother and stress-free. First things first, before you head out, check your EBT balance. You can do this by calling the number on the back of your card, using the app if available, or logging into your state's benefits website. This way, you'll know exactly how much you have to spend and avoid any surprises at checkout. Once you're at the store, shop smart. Remember, EBT is for eligible food items only, like fruits, veggies, dairy, and meats. No hot foods or non-food items. Load up your cart with what you need, then head to the register. At the checkout, let the cashier know you're using your EBT card right away. They'll ring up your items, and when it's time to pay, simply swipe or insert your card into the reader, just like a debit card. Then, enter your 4-digit PIN. Keep that super secure and don't share it with anyone. The machine will show the total amount for EBT eligible items. Double check that, approve the transaction, and you're good to go. You'll get a receipt that shows your purchase and remaining balance. Always save that for your records. A few quick tips. If you have a mix of EBT and non-EBT items, the cashier might need to split the payment, so be patient. And if you run into any issues, like a declined transaction, contact your state's EBT helpline immediately. Using your EBT card is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and it helps you stretch your budget further. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more everyday tips. What's your go-to grocery hack? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.